A bunch of little metal square frames, and then inside of these square frames are small pieces of glass, and there's one glass that looks like it has a hole in the middle where it looks like a rock or something.
World. In most prisons, you just don't get that.
And it's got to be an advantage that can't pass surplus to the area.
Hey,
Yeah.
Just like
I have a
really
message for
like
you.
insightful.
Where are you
Kind
going?
of like
I know it did for me.
Dude.
And
What the heck, dude?
you know,
What the heck?
we're still
What
going
the heck?
to the same.
Exchanging letters. And then
And thanks to Allison West for talking to us about how she trains.
Remember when you fucked that girl?
No, I like the.
This cow shit.
And I think you're allowed. 6% of the people make under $15,000 a year, which is not
They're
terrific.
loaded with PCB, so they don't even know
They
it.
don't even know it. They're a little brain damage. They're watching Scooby Doo and they're happy. I've seen them. They're little houses.
They are houses.
Yeah, some of them are
foundation.
2-bedroom, 2-bath. No, they're houses. Yeah, they're not like
They're not
manufactured.
manufactured?
They're like 200 years old.
Okay.
They're like a 100-year-old shack, basically.
Okay.
A lot of them are, that's it.
Until I get there. So this is his deal. He says the Blackmans aren't going to burn. Boyd's like,
Parking lot. This is remember Burlingame Fridays? Nosy neighbors in the park. It's 2 miles. Mr. Blackman's in the front, the other two, Boyd and Mrs. Blackman are in the back.
Yeah.
They drive across the Coosa.
So, not bumbling.
So
He did
no,
in reverse
so
order, though.
He's house to pick up some tapes of hers. He really testified in exchange for and they dismissed it. They were saying it was ineffective assistance of counsel. And that one, they said, go fuck yourself. On December 18th, 1998, dismissed that. It's all sticky. Ugh. All sticky and gross.
Seduced is the other one it's
I
called.
haven't watched those yet.
Yeah, I haven't watched them yet, but they're dark. Right now, I can appreciate the Backstreet Boys a little more than I could back then. The rivalry is.
I was like, who's that? And then I looked into it. I was like, she's good.
Both of them, it was their only option to meet in person.
It felt
Sync cat.
normal and natural
Sync
to
cat.
be with her.
Someone else decide that for themselves.
Exactly.
Because there is nothing wrong with
The girls next door. On a first name basis. Yeah, exactly. And he made her not only a bunny, but he later on made her Miss August of 1979. Wow. Personality. He didn't give her her looks or anything like that. Like her ability to model and act and all that.
Yeah.
So whatever. Paul was happy that Dory throws wine at her at a pool party.
Fun.
But she was a playmate, and I had no he seems like the guy that would be able to charm you. And especially when, like, I remember being, like, 17, 18, and, like, I worked at a bar, like, people would come in and I'd be like, oh my god, oh, triple X. He would be like, yeah, I'd be a little concerned. So Dorothy is telling him she didn't want to hurt him. She just felt like their marriage wasn't. Do not need you, Paul.
Stars on the rise.
Exactly. Some of the people, they were in shock and they were hard.
Didn't make any ugly women, but he sure as hell made some Carol.
Happens where
Who's
some
fucking?
prisoners who are eligible. What?
Who's fucking?
Well, so some of the prisoners.
I'm better as a person and stuff like that, and when that talk come up to her, that's like irrelevant. And plus,
the California Reentry Program. She was on the last episode talking about.
You are a person
Right.
just
Yeah.
in your life who wants to begin a relationship with someone in prison.
With someone who's in prison, yeah.
I'm like, why?
Right.
so my romantic would be like if she comes to visit me, like yeah, we have our right now, and she'd be like, oh, I'm laying
Here's your
down, I'm
food.
watching TV, and I just want to be like.